Santhanam committee was related to the prevention of which social problem? Answer is option D, corruption. Friends, Santhanam committee was an anti-corruption committee that Lal Bahadur Shastri had appointed in 1962. The committee submitted its report in January 1963 and the report was known as the Santhanam Committee report. The Santhanam Committee's activities focused on preventing and identifying wasteful spending or poor management in government agencies. Blank is the process of overgrowth of plants and algae in lakes. Answer is option B, eutrophication. Dhop is a seasonal game played in. Answer is option C, Assam. Friends, if you understand in detail, Dhop Khel is a traditional ball game played in Assam. And you know friends, the capital of Assam is Dispur. Dhop Khel is a traditional season game from Assam that is played during the Bihu festival and is played between two teams with each team of 11 players and the field is bounded by 4 flags. Who constitutes the State Finance Commission? Answer is option A, Governor of the state. Friends, the State Finance Commission is a constitutional body as it is formed under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. Under Article 280, the State Finance Commission was established in all the states of India from 1993 on the lines of the Finance Commission of the Centre. According to Article 243I of the Indian Constitution, the State Finance Commission is appointed by the Governor for a period of 5 years. The purpose of the State Finance Commission is to review the financial position of the panchayats. The Bhitari pillar inscription of which Gupta ruler narrates his fight with the Pushyamitras? Answer is option B, Askand Gupta. Friends, Askand Gupta ruled the Gupta Empire from AD 455 to 467. Askand Gupta was the son of the Gupta Emperor Kumar Gupta I. He restored the Gupta Empire from his enemies. He composed the Bhitri inscription, which was written in 19 lines that describe the ancestors of Askand Gupta, about himself and his achievements. The Bhitri inscription mentions the conflict between Askand Gupta with Huns. National Development Council was set up in blank in India. Answer is option A, 1952. Friends, if you understand in detail, National Development Council was formed on 6 August 1952 in India. National Development Council or the Rashtriya Vikas Parishad is the apex body for decision making. The deliberations on development matters in India presided over by the Prime Minister. Padma Shri awardee Sitara Devi was known for her contribution to the field of blank. Answer is option D, Kathak. Pommel horse, Roman rings, vaulting table are few terms which are related to blank. Answer is option D, gymnastics. Which of the following element is present in an antiperspirant deodorant? Answer is option B, aluminium. In MS Excel, blank represents the address of the active cell. Answer is option C, name box. Which among the following is a vitamin deficiency disease in which dark red patches occur on face, neck, hands, calves and feet? Answer is option C, pellagra. Friends, if we understand in detail, Pellagra is a disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B3. Pellagra is a disease in which dark red patches occur on the face, neck, hands, calves, and feet. The classic symptoms of pellagra are diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia, and death. Pellagra can also occur of the body fails to absorb niacin or tryptophan in the diet. The name pellagra is derived from the Italian pelle agra. Ilyas Khan was born in Lucknow to a family of musicians. He was famous for playing blank. Answer is option A, sitar. Which of the following is present in chalk? Answer is option D, calcium carbonate. Friends, calcium carbonate in the form of chalk has traditionally been an important part of blackboard chalk. In medicine, it is used as an antacid or calcium supplement. Its chemical formula CaCO3. It is used to make paint, paper, plastic, etc. Which of the following features of the Constitution of India is borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland? Answer is option A, directive principles of state policy. Friends, if we understand in detail the sources that are taken from the Constitution of Ireland, first, principles of state policy, second is method of election of president, and third is the nomination of members of the Rajya Sabha. The main feature borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland is the Directive Principles of State Policy in 1937, but the idea was generated in Spain. Directive Principles of State Policy are an integral part of Indian Constitution and is listed in Part 4, Article 36 to 51. Bonalu is a Hindu festival of Telangana where goddess blank is worshipped. Answer is option B, Mahakali. Friends, Bonalu is a traditional Hindu festival centered on the goddess Mahakali from Telangana. And friends, you know the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. This festival is celebrated annually in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Sikandrabad as well as in other parts of the state. It is celebrated in the month of Ashadha Masam, which is around July and August. Which of the following organisms does not fit into the cell theory? Answer is option D, virus. The general range of audible frequencies for human is. Answer is option B, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Which phenomenon occurs with the excessive growth of money supply? Answer is option B, hyperinflation. Who among the following sultans of Delhi founded Jaunpur city? Answer is option A, Firoz Tughlaq. Friends, if you understand in detail, Jaunpur, historically known as Sultan, has its historical dates from 1359 when the city was founded by the Sultan of Delhi, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and named in the memory of his cousin Muhammad bin Tughlaq, whose given name was Jauna Khan. In 1388, Firoz Shah Tughlaq appointed Malik Sarwar, a eunuch who is notorious for having been the lover of Firoz Shah Tughlaq's daughter, as the governor of the region. Fe plus CuSO4, FeSO4 plus Cu. This is an example of blank reaction. Answer is option D, displacement.